welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is going to be another haul video. So today I'm going to make a Sarojini Nagar haul, so let's get started. So girls, first I'm going to start with some homeware things which I've got from Sarojini. So let's see what's the first one is. I don't know what to call this. It has a hanger kind of thing to hold it, and it's in a beautiful orange color, and the material is like viscose, and it's so soft and it's so relaxing. I don't know why I got this one, but it feels like a pillow, so I got this, and it was just for rupees 200. The whole thing, the stuffing, the cover, everything, the whole piece is just for rupees 200. And I got this one from lane number 4, and it's amazing. It's super for rupees 200. So the second thing is this beautiful pillow cover. It's in black, in grey and white combination, and that's how it looks from the back. And here is the opening. This is a standard pillow size, and it has a little bit of foam stuffing, and I really like this cover, and this was just for rupees 100. I got 2 of these, and they look amazing with a plain black bed sheet, and I really like them, and the design is so classic and so nice. So the third thing I got are these cushion covers, and they are super cute, super beautiful, so royal looking, and they have this beautiful white design that is a kind of embroidery they have, and they have this beautiful glass bead detailing, and I really like these one, and they are pretty affordable. They are just for rupees 200. They have the cushion inside. This is the cover. It has a chain so that you can wash them easily, and they are super cute and they look beautiful, and they are just for 200 each with the cushion and the cover. Best buy. And this is from also the same shop from where I have got the pillow cover and the first pillow I have shown you guys, the orange one. And these were 3 items, and they are super nice, super cute and super affordable, guys. I love them. So I got 2 bags from Sarojini Nagar this time. So the first one is this. It's a kind of document bag. You can definitely put your documents in it. It has 1 chain here, and it has 1 big chain also. And the best part about it is this design, the yellow and green combination, and this is pure leather bag, and it's from the brand Chumbak. You must have heard about this online. Chumbak is a very famous brand. They have really expensive bags. I got this for just rupees 200, and it has leather inside as well. So girls, the second bag is this beautiful bag, and I really like this color. It is made up of pure leather, and it has this chain detailing on both the sides, and it's so pretty. Look at it, how classy it looks. It has 1 more chain inside, and it comes with this strap. You can definitely convert it into a sling bag, and super nice, and I really like this one, and it seems really expensive because it is such a good quality, you won't believe it. And I got these from the lane number 2. So girls, I have also got a pair of shoes, and they are these beautiful heels, and the color is so nice. It's a beige color. I want such nude pair of heels from a long time, and these are peep toes actually, and I really like them. They have perfect heel size what I want, and they are super comfy. It's from the brand Kielz, Kielz. I don't know how to pronounce this, but they are super comfy, super cute, and they go with everything. Indian, western, jeans, anything on dresses. They're just perfect for everything and every occasion. And I got these for just rupees 350 from the lane number 3. Yeah. I've also got 3 pair of jewelries. The first one is this beautiful earring set, and they look so pretty and nice. The color is so beautiful. It's pinky. It's pink color with a golden detailing, and golden and pink, they go well with each other, and I'm gonna wear this with my black and pink suit. So I got this just for rupees 50 from lane, I don't remember. It's from the Big C lane. Yeah. So the second pair is this, and these are red and golden combination. They are similar to the first one, but the color is different, and I really like this. And they are super pretty, and the color is so bright and beautiful, and I got this for rupees 50 again from the same shop. So third pair of earrings are these beautiful ethnic earrings, and they are so pretty, and I got these just for rupees 250. Look at the detailing. It has some pearls and some American diamonds, and it looks so nice, and they are so much in these days that if you have seen Ishqbaz, Anika is wearing these, and in many songs you will find these nowadays, and they look so pretty and nice. And I got this just for rupees 50 from the same shop, that is in Big C lane. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can definitely tell me in the comment box box down below which product you like and which you don't like, and you can definitely ask me the questions about the price, the shop number and the lane, and any queries related to the Sarojini Nagar in the comment box, and I'll be definitely gonna answer all your questions and queries related to Sarojini Nagar. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.